Cutting, copying, and pasting text. With our Windows clipboard, we can actually go into any application that's text-based, and we can cut or copy and paste. For example, I'll come into this Word document and I will right-click and I'll say copy. Then I'll go into my AutoCAD drawing and I'm going to go into my multi-line text and then I'll right-click, and I could just say paste if I wanted to, and I'll do that. Boom, and then I can close the text editor and double-click Zoom Extents, and there is just a straight-up paste. It's a regular text object, right? It's no different than any other text object that we have in AutoCAD. But we have some other tools we can use here, and let's go back into the Word document here, and I can say, oh, I can come in here and copy this, and I'll say, all right, I'll go back in and I'll create a multi-line text, and I can, when I go in here and I can right click, instead of just saying paste, I can say paste special, and I can paste without any character formatting. So this is things like bolding, etc. So I can go in here and it takes off all the bolding. Okay. Also, I can come in here and I'll do this again. I'll keep the same exact information in here. I can right click and I can paste special, and I can paste it without any paragraph formatting. So when I do that, it comes in here, and now I have, whether if I centered something, I did any of my line spacing justifications, that is not brought in. Or, and I can even do one more thing, is I could bring it in with no, when I go to right click, paste special, I can go without any formatting at all. In other words, just plain text. And when I do that, I don't get any bolding, I don't get any underlining, I don't get anything in my justifications or anything like that. So depending on what you want to do, you can bring it in with everything that you have in there. And for example, I could come in here and see how I have the bolding, etc. If I came in and I said, well, let's come down here, and I say, oh, I wanted that to be red, right? And now I'm coming in and I'm right clicking and I'm copying, and I go back into AutoCAD and I say, well, I want everything like that. I just don't want that bolding and that red. Well, then I want to go paste special and without the character formatting, and boom, I get it in as black and white. I don't get it as red. But if I just did a normal text, right, then when I right click and just hit paste, I get it just the way it came out of the document. So by all means, whatever you do, don't retype it. We can always cut and copy and paste in from anything such as a spreadsheet or a word processor, and go right into AutoCAD.